How to BUY $WLFI, World Liberty Financial Token Crypto Coin. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial or investment expert. Please do your own research, DYOR, before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrencies carry risks, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. How to buy World Liberty Financial Token, WLFI. In today's video, I will walk you through how to buy the World Liberty Financial Token, also known by the symbol WLFI. Before we begin, please note that I am not providing financial advice, and this video is not intended as an investment recommendation. Always conduct your own research before investing in any project. Step 1. Stay informed. Before purchasing any token, it is important to stay updated on the latest news. Follow the official World Liberty Financial social media accounts and forums to get updates about the token and its developments. This will help you make informed decisions about your investment. Step 2. Check the token's performance. This token, WLFI, has been performing well recently, with a significant increase of 25,000% in the last 24 hours. However, it's also important to note that its liquidity is relatively low at 98%. Low liquidity means that there may be higher volatility, so it's crucial to understand the risks involved. Step 3. Set up your wallet. To buy WLFI, you will need a wallet that supports the BEP20 network, Binance Smart Chain. In this example, I will be using the BitWallet app. Open your wallet and click on the plus icon to add the token. Paste the token address for WLFI into the wallet to add it. This address can be found on trusted sources or the official token website. Go back to your wallet and scroll down to find the WLFI token you just added. Step 4. Swap tokens. Now that the token is added to your wallet, it's time to buy it. Click on the WLFI token. Select the swap option to exchange your preferred cryptocurrency, e.g., USDT, BNB, etc., for WLFI. Enter the amount you wish to buy. You will see how much WLFI you will receive based on your input. Make sure you have enough funds in your wallet for the swap, and double-check the slippage settings to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 5. Confirm the purchase. Once you have reviewed all the details, click Buy Now to complete the transaction. After confirmation, the WLFI token will be added to your wallet. Reminder: always be cautious. Cryptocurrency investments carry risk, especially with newer or less-known tokens. The value of tokens can be highly volatile, and you should only invest funds that you are willing to lose. Please remember to always do your own research, DYOR, and consult with a professional if you have any doubts. Disclaimer: again, this video is for educational purposes only. The information provided does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrency investments are highly speculative and carry risk. Invest responsibly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. See you in the next video.